Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. I'm here with my sidekick, Carlito, my helper.
Hey guys, your mom, what's cooking?
Well, today we are doing a twist on its dessert today. Yum yum. Today I have a twist on strawberry shortcake, Carlito. What we are going to make is a lemon mixed berry shortcake.
That sounds delicious.
Yum yum, because berries and lemon are yum yum together.
Of course.
Yes. Carlito's helping me cut them. Go ahead and cut them, Carlito. We're actually going to do it like this. I'll show you. Let's do them like that and then like that.
Okay, honey.
Alright, so we're going to cut them in 4.
Honey.
So while he does that, I'm going to go ahead and cut this lemon in half. I'm going to take half of a lemon and make sure you hold it down because lemons have a lot of seeds. And I'm going to put some lemon juice in our berries. So hey guys, when we come back, Carlito will be done with the strawberries. We are going to be ready to assemble this easy, beautiful twist on strawberry shortcake, guys. You don't want to miss it. We'll be right back.
See ya.
Okay guys, we're back. Carlito's done cutting the strawberries. Now I'm going to show you probably about maybe half an inch on the pound cake. Cut about half an inch. I'm all about how pretty it looks, so I'm just going to grab 2 pieces of pound cake. We're going to make 1 piece right here. So we're going to start building this, you guys, okay? Watch this. So we have our pound cake here. Now we're going to grab some of our beautiful whipping cream. Oh my God, this cream is so delicious. Put a nice dollop on that. Then we're going to add some raspberries and blueberries on top. Put that on top like that. Yum. Some more blueberries. Ooh. Then we're going to add some strawberries. This is going to be messy, but it doesn't matter. It's going to be so delicious. Because I'm going to make it Art Deco style, Carlito. Now we're going to grab our second one and put it on top like this, guys.
Sandwich.
Yum. Grab some more of our delicious, delicious homemade whipped cream. Another dollop. You can put as much or as little as you'd like. It's up to you. It's just heavy whipping cream and there's a lot of fat in it, but that's okay. As long as we don't do it all the time, we're good. Some more raspberries and blueberries. No, it's a single. Ooh. Raspberries and blueberries. Put some strawberries. I don't want this to like fall over like a timber. So far, how does that look? Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Let me have a napkin, sweetheart. Can I have a napkin? Because now I'm going to zest some lemon on this. Wait a second. Let me just put this right here, guys, so I can zest a little bit of lemon on there. Guys, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Isn't that beautiful?
Can I zest it on there?
Oops. Look at that. I'm all about plating, guys. So.
Can I zest it on there?
Sure. You got to be careful with the hydroplaner. You can hurt yourself. You do it like this. You know why? Because it'll cut you. Let me do it because it's going to cut you.
Okay, honey.
I don't want you to get cut. You can practice later on. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and zest half of a lemon. Wow, look at all that. You have all that beautiful lemon zest that comes out in the taste. I just got to put it all the way around. And there you have it. Now we're going to finish it off, Carlito, with a small little dollop of cream on top. A small little dollop of cream on top. And we are going to put a beautiful strawberry.
Oh no, there's some.
And here we go. Check this out, guys.
Oh, it's falling.
It's okay. Look.
It still looks beautiful.
Look at that, you guys. How pretty is that? How rustic is that? So rustic. Look, I have some lemon zest here. Look how rustic that is. I love it. You like it, Carlito?
I love it.
All right, Carlito, come here. Look at that, guys. Wow, I love this. So, guys, let's dig in. You want to try it? Grab a fork. Grab a spoon or a fork, whatever you like.
I grabbed 2 spoons.
Okay, I'm going to make some more. All right, so let's take a little bite here. Hang on. I'm going to grab it over here so the camera can see us. All right, so we've got, oh my goodness. So what you can do is the pound cake, put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes so it'll get really cold. So that way it will hold up, with your cream will hold up. If not, the cream will start falling off. My mouth is so watery right now.
Sorry, gotta get messy here.
Okay, you ready?
Cheers.
Oh my god.
I don't think I really tasted it well. I need a...
Yeah, we're gonna double dip. Hey, be careful, because you're gonna spill it all over me. That's a big Carlito, really?
I'm not trying to get these. You're moving the plate away from me.
Mm. It's ridiculous, you guys. And how easy was that? Sometimes, that lemon with those berries is so delicious. Sometimes, guys, we're in a hurry or we make, shortcuts. This is our take. I can make the pound cake homemade, right, Carlito? But I decided not to this time. Carlito, really? Can you please stop? Oh no. So I can make this pound cake homemade, but I chose not to today. Found a really nice lemon pound cake with the berries, and I did make the fresh cream. If you want to use a specific type of cream in a can or something, you can, but there's nothing like homemade. So, guys, that was so delicious and so easy. How's that for a take on strawberry shortcake, huh? You like it?
That was spectacular.
Yes,
everybody.
that's good. So remember, you guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to comment. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, what are you waiting for?
Hit that subscribe button.
And don't forget the bell so you don't miss any episodes. And my two main ingredients in every dish are
Passion and love.
passion and love. It doesn't matter to me what you look like, where you are, what your kitchen looks like. As long as you incorporate those two main ingredients, your dish will not fail, Carlito.
It won't.
That's right. Your dish will not fail. Don't forget to visit www.stovetopyumyum.com. We have these beautiful aprons right now made by us as part of our brand. Beautiful shirts. I have a promo code STOVETOP to save you 10% on your entire order. Oh, and shipping is always free.
Of course.
Yes. So the website's right here. And you guys, as I always say, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. Until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. We will be back, and we will see you guys then. Take great care, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.